We're heading down Colorado 145 and dropping in for a short visit with old Charlie. He was a skier in these parts, in and around Telluride and Durango back in my college days. Like me, he's divorced, the kids are grown, and is alone. He's getting on in years, so he's made the toughest decision of his life: to sell his 93-acre spread along the Dolores River. Anybody home? Hello? Come on here. Come on, buddy. Nix, how are you? Boy, they're smart as a whip, this breed, huh?
Yes.
Charlie, well, how do you like living in God's green acres?
I love it.
Yeah.
Just I'm getting a little...
Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, well, join the club. I'm right behind you. You know.
I've been making it through. It's
well, the winters can be a little cruel on you.
Yeah, they bury me here if not.
Yeah,
you know. So.
Oh.
And yeah. I love the place. It's.
Yeah, that's a shame. Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't mind being planted right up on the top of that hill there.
We actually do have a grave somewhere way back over there.
Yeah,
Some
family?
People, no,
before you?
Way before, in the 1800s.
Yeah. Oh, no kidding. That's how long this
1890s.
This was homesteaded back way back
1890s,
oh,
and then they went to Rico, which was the big city.
Yeah, back then. Yeah.
They didn't make it.
You got some friendly dogs here. And you got all this, boy, they can run around in.
Yes, they don't have the yard.
Yeah.
It'd be a shame to lock them up.
Oh man, look at all the dandelions.
I tell you what, it's sort of scary the thought of leaving here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just,
it ain't gonna be the same.
No,
that's sad.
I'm walking in shadows I cannot see. Faces they smile or come follow me. Doors without windows all shut tight again. I just might pass this way again. I just might pass this way again.
Well, the place won't be the same without old Charlie. I wish him well.
I just might pass this way again.